press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone, welcome to social science class and welcome to history class. In the last period we have discussed we were going through the one event in 1789 on 14th July. The Bastille was destroyed by revolutionaries and next they sold the souvenir of Bastille. Bastille was hated by all and the March of Bread revolution, March of Bread, these are all the things have been discussed in the last class. In this session we are going to discuss the French Revolution. What is revolution? A revolution which means the changes which take place suddenly. The changes which take place very suddenly. French society during the late 18th century. What was the situation that could be seen in the French society before 1774? The French basically was ruled by, French is one of the European country. The French was ruled by Bourbon dynasty. The Louis of Bourbon dynasty. What was this? Before we need to know that what was the situation of world in the history of world. What was the situation? There was a feudal system. There are four important incidents which had been taken place in the world history in the Europe. The Industrial Revolution, religious reformation, geographical exploration. What is Industrial Revolution? Industrial Revolution which means there are number of industries established and there are number of innovations were done by many scientists. They wanted raw materials to run their industries in European countries. Therefore, all the Europeans, sailors and kings who encouraged to new see other part of the world. So many members, they needed raw materials and they wanted to spread new Christian religions other part of the world. So many European such as Spain, France, England, Dutch, Holland, these are all the countries they discovered different part of the world. And next, this is a situation that could be seen in the French society during the late 18th century. Now we are going to discuss, therefore, there was a global conflict between 7-year wars which took place between, there are 5 continents, Europe, North America, North Africa, Philippines and England. 7-year wars which took place between Europe, North America, North Africa, Philippines and India. This is one of the reasons you have to keep. And next one is, they discovered many places. They were incompetence, they discovered new sea route to new part of the world. They wanted to discover of new places and they wanted to start a colony of the world. This is the situation of Europe in the Middle Ages. And also feudal system was practiced in the Europe. Now we are going to discuss the situation. What was the situation of Europe that could be seen in the late 18th century? Industrial Revolution and 7-year wars was taking place. And next, European American war was done already. These are all the things that could be seen. Before we going ahead, we need to know that what was the changes that has been done by the French Revolution. It abolished the monarchy system. What is monarchy system? When I say monarchy, A king has supreme authority. He was not restricted by any rules, laws, and regulations. It was like dictatorship. He did not take care about the people. This is the situation we could see in the different part of Europe, such as Habsburg dynasty ruled over the Austria, Bourbon dynasty ruled over the France, Rome, which was ruled by Pope. Among them, Bourbon family is one of the important. Bourbon family in 1774, what was the situation that could be seen in 1774? Who ruled over the France? The Bourbon family of kings ascended the throne at France. Louis XVI in 1774, what was the main aim of French Revolution? It abolished the monarchy system and established the republic system, and king was overthrown by the revolutionaries. These are all the things they have kept and they have made a revolution. Now we are going to discuss introduction of the king. In 1774, Louis XVI of the Bourbon family. What was this revolution which begins from Louis XVI of the Bourbon family? Before, who ruled over the France? Louis XV, Louis XIV. Louis XIV, he was the great grandson of Louis XVI. He built one immense palace of Versailles, that is called Versailles, 12 kilometers far away from Paris. Paris was the capital city of France. He built an immense palace, extravagant palace of Versailles, and he drained the treasury of France. And next, Louis XVI, who came to power, he also, Louis XIV, ಇವನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಗಾಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ ಗಾಡ್, ನಾನೇ ರಾಜ್ಯ, ನನ್ನದೇ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಹೂ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಪವರ್? ಲೂಯಿ XV ಫ್ರಮ್ 1717 to 1774. Louis XV also, he did nothing. He did not care about the people. Everything which was made for himself only. Selfish administration was done by Louis XV. Louis XV did nothing. After Louis XV, he also waged war against the other countries. After Louis XV, Louis XVI of the Bourbon family of kings ascended the throne of France. He was 20 years old. He is the Louis XVI. He was 20 years of old and married. His name Mary Antoinette. He married Mary Antoinette, Princess Mary Antoinette. She was the princess of Austria. Austria is one of the country which is located in Europe. He married with the Mary Antoinette. Who was Mary Antoinette? Mary Antoinette was the Austrian princess. It is only faulty method was done by Louis XVI. Why? Because she always, Mary Antoinette, she had desire. She wanted to demolish the France administration and merged the France state into Austria. This marriage was opposed by the people of India, because the people of France, the citizens of France, they opposed this marriage because they did not like her. But even though he married 20 years old and Austrian Princess Mary Antoinette, there are reasons which were there. French Revolution ಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು reasons ಇದಾವೆ. We have to break all this paragraph. First, we are going to discuss political reason. Upon his accession, the new king found an empty treasury. upon his accession, when he came to power, the new king, who is the new king? Louis XVI. When he came to power, he found an empty treasury. The treasury was bankrupted. The treasury was bankrupted. Why was it treasury empty? Because long years. The first reason of French Revolution, keep it on your mind. Long years of war had drained the financial resources of France. Long years war. What was the long years of war? No, as we know that in the beginning of class I told you 7-year war which took place between 1756 to 1763. Long years war had drained the financial resources of France. ಸುಮಾರು 7 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಯುದ್ಧ ಡ್ರೇನ್ಡ್ ದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಇಡೀ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿಯನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿತು. The treasury is very important to run the administration. Money is very important. The Louis XV, he participated, he always wanted to interfere the world matters. That's why the Louis XV, he participated long years wars, that is called 7-year wars, which took place between the continents of North America, North Africa, India, Philippines and Europe. This long year war which had drained the financial resources of France. There was nothing. Everything was done, every financial resource was done due to the long years of war was done by Louis XV. ಅವನು ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, Louis XV, Louis XIV ಬಿತ್ತಿದ ಬೀಜಗಳಿಗೆ Louis XVI ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. And next one reason is, added to this was the cost of maintaining an extravagant court of the immense palace of Versailles. The Versailles palace, here this is the Versailles palace. The Versailles palace, this is the extravagant and luxurious palace, lavish palace. The cost of extravagant court, this inside of the palace, extravagant court ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅತಿರಂಜಿತ means ಓವರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ. Cost of maintaining an extravagant court at the immense palace of Versailles. They did nothing. The Louis XV, XIV and XVI. 16th is a good person, but he was an incompetent person. Louis XV and XIV. Louis XIV, he built a strong, beautiful palace that was called as Versailles. It was far away. It was located far away from the Paris. Added to this was the cost of maintaining an extravagant court of the immense palace of Versailles. This is one of the reason for the French Revolution. They did not take care about the people. They always spend the people money. They always spend the people money to this extravagant courts. The people of third class people, which means there was a estate system, first, second and third class people, they always gave tax. They were given the tax, but the king did not take care about the people. Only for he was taking the money from the lowest class of people and added to this war cost to maintaining an extravagant court at the immense palace of Versailles. ಅವನೊಂದು ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ, ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ಲು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ದ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ ವಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ರಪ್ಟೆಡ್, ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ರೈನ್ಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್. And also Mary Antoinette, she was a queen of Louis XVI. Louis XVI, he was incompetent person. Always he was hunting ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಟೆ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಬೀಗ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬೇಟೆ ಆಡೋದು. ದೇರ್ ವರ್ ಹಾಬೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ Louis XVI. ಇವನು he sat in window and he was hunting, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಿಟಕಿ ಹತ್ರ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಟೆಯನ್ನು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಶೋಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಕಾಂಪಿಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ Louis XVI. And also his queen, She did not care about the people, citizens. She always, quarterly, there are 5,000 servers are there in the court, were there in the court. And next to, under Louis 15, and this is the two reason. One is long years of war had drained the financial resources of France. Added to this war, the cost of, second reason is the cost of maintaining an extravagant court of the immense palace of Versailles. Next reason is under Louis 15th. Who is Louis 15? He was the grandfather of Louis 16th. France helped the 13 colonies, American colonies, to gain their common enemy of Britain. You need to know that American war which took place between Britain and America. France helped the 13 colonies. Which are the 30 colonies? New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Ireland, Connecticut, New Jersey, New Delaware, Maryland, and Carolina, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. Next to New York. These are all the 13 colonies were established by the natives of Britain when they came to new land of America. Yavaga Vasan. Then America was discovered by Amerigo Vespucci. This is a new land. There are 3 of Europeans who arrived America. The first, France, who established their colonies in Canada. Spain established in South America. And next England, which means Britain, who established in North America. Finally, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ದೇ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ಆಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ದೇರ್ ನೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಿಟನ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ದ ಬ್ರಿಟನ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಎ ಲಾ ಆನ್ ದ ನೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದರು. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆಡ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತು? ಅವರ್ ಮದರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಮದರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ನರು, ದೇ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕೇರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ದೇ ವರ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಂದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ France helped the 13 colonies to gain their common enemy of Britain. The common enemy, the enmity broke out between Britain and France. This is the common enemy. France helped the 13 colonies to gain their common enemy, Britain. The war added more than $1 billion livres to a livres, which means currency of France before 17 before livres unit of currency France discontinued in 1794. It was discontinued in 1794. Before livres they used. The war added more than $1 billion livres to a debt that had already risen to more than 2 billion livres. Already 2 billion livres was taken. And next, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಮೆರಿಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ ಆಯಿತು. The treasury was bankrupted due to the wars. Lenders who gave the state now began to charge 10% of interest on loans. Lenders which means salagaru, who gave the state credit now began to charge 10% interest on this loan. Whenever the France, the Louis 15th, he had taken the loan from the lenders. The lenders who gave the state now began to charge 10% interest on loans, 100 rupees. If they have taken 100 rupees, they had to give 10% of charge. This is drained the financial resources of France. This is one of the reasons. So French government was obliged to spend an increasing percentage of its budget on interest payments alone. Only for French government was obliged to spend ಅದು ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಡ್ಜೆಟನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲೋನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ರೀಸನ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್? ದ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ರೀಸನ್. ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ couple things we have discussed. One is the 7-year wars. First one is long years of war had drained the financial resources of France, and second reason is the cost of maintaining an extravagant court of the immense palace of Versailles. Second reason, 5 marks question. Political reason, there are two important things. Long years of war had drained the financial resources of France, and next one is the cost of maintaining an extravagant court of immense palace of Versailles. Next, third one reason is France helped the 13 colonies to gain their common enemy Britain. Next one is the war added more than $1 billion to debt that had already risen to more than $2 billion. ಎರಡಾಗಿತ್ತು, 7-year war ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದಾಯಿತು 13 coloniesಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, next we are going to discuss economic reason. To meet its regular expenses such as the cost of maintaining an army. Every country they have army because to sake of our country, to protect of our country. The France also had army. They have to maintain an army, the court. There are 5,000 servers. Mary Antoinette, she wanted more servers. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿಗಳನ್ನು ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. All the kings and queens, they had done luxurious life. They did not take care about the people. ಅವರು ಸಾಯಿಲಿ ನಮಗೇನು ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ to meet its regular expenses such as the cost of maintaining an army, the court, running government offices. There are number of officers are there. Running government officers, they wanted to give salary, they wanted to pay anything, they wanted to pay PF, they wanted to pay many other things. Running government officers or universities which give the degree. Running the government offices and running universities, the state was forced to increase taxes, and even this measure would not have sufficed. State were forced to increase taxes, yet even this measure, nodri esto tax hakidru kuda even this measure would not have sufficed, because it is an extravagant court of palace Versailles, and next the luxurious life of king and queen of Mary Antoinette and Louis XVI. Yet even this measure would not have sufficed. This is the economic reason. Okay. What we have discussed, one is political reason, next one is economic reason. Political reason. What political reason? Long years of war had drained the financial resources of France. The cost of maintaining an extravagant court of immense palace of Versailles. Next reason is France helped the 13 American colonies to gain their common enemy of Britain. The war added then $1 billion to debt that had already risen to more than $2 billion. And next, running of the government offices or universities to meet its regular expenses such as the cost of maintaining an army, the court, running the government offices or universities. It was really immense, really burden on the government of France. The force, in order to bear these expenses, the state was forced to increase taxes, yet even this measure would not have sufficed. These are all the things have been discussed in this class. Next we are going to discuss social reasons. You have to write one question. What were the reasons to start French Revolution? Thank you.